Welcome everyone, good morning. What's happening? All right, let's start of the day. Fresh start. Look at that. NQ doing some crazy stuff over here. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys are having a great morning. All right, let's see what's going on here. I already updated my charts, so let's see. I do see some buy side, but actually that's not important there. It can still go down. Looks like the Asia session, I mean, since the Asia lows, it was just straight going up and up. Who knows for how long, without any major retracements. So what else do we have? We have some gold. Yeah, I was measuring some gold trades as well, but nothing special. We have some relative equal highs. That's why I was trying to catch something here. But first of all, let's see what's happening over here. Good morning, John and Jeho. Good morning. Finally back home. Nice. Welcome, guys. Muhammad, hey. Long time no see. Absolutely. You've been very busy. What have you been doing, Muhammad? Joey, hey. What's going on? What's going on? All right. Anyway, seems like this little naughty NQ still wants to go higher. Secrets of the unknown. Good to see you. Haven't seen you for a while. Good to see you back. How is everybody doing on this fine morning? Good to see you guys. All right. Well, first of all, let's check on NQ because it's quite interesting. Look at this low, previous day low, which is technically the Asia low, currently on the 5-minute chart, but still interesting. At 0.76, I'm going to put this as Asia low. Asia low, all right. That's going to be just fine. Okay. Now, first I thought that this one wants to go, higher, take out the order block. There is a not too perfect order block to the left on the 5 minutes, so I thought it might want to go higher, to take it out. But I realized it might not go there. So anyway, university. Oh, now I seem to okay, nice, Muhammad. All right. Sometimes you just no problem, Muhammad. I'm super glad if you're lurking around the background. That's all that matters, Good to have you. It's good to have you, my man. Good to have you here. All right. Let's see what is going on here. Well, nothing special on the 1 minute. I'm trying to catch some levels here, but I mean, there's really nothing that I like all that much. Gonna have to wait if this one wants to break the lows at 169 and then go for Asia low. Obviously, there is a fair value gap here on the 5 minute, also on the 15 minute, so who knows? It just felt like it might want to complete the move by taking out these highs at 17, but so far nothing is happening. As for gold, So I was watching gold closely, especially these relative equal highs. I know many of you guys don't trade gold. The only thing that caught my eye was these levels. Quite interesting, to be honest. So maybe I thought that it could go up there, but for now I'm just gonna wait for NQ to show us something, show us the direction, what it wants. But anyway, you know. Hope everybody's doing great. All right. Peter, hey, good to see you. Welcome back. What's happening? What's happening, Peter? Exactly like in Office Space. What's happening, Peter? If you guys didn't see that movie, you just have to. What's happening, Peter? Actually, I might just gonna play that clip. Hey, Parmin there. Good to see you as well. All right, let's see my. No, that's not it. Display capture. Oh, I just messed up something real bad. What did I do? Uh-oh. Oh, now it's better. Sorry, guys. So, let's see. Let's see. Do we have anything here? It feels like that NQ still wants to complete the move. Going higher here. To these 216, 217. Not sure though. Marco, good morning. Good to see you, Marco. Oh yeah, I find something for you, Peter. It's especially for Peter from the movie Office Space. Just this once. I love this movie.
Hello, Peter. What's happening?
Hello, Peter. What's happening? All right. All right. So gold might want to go up there. Who knows? And I'm still not sure about NQ. What's the plan of NQ? NQ for short term might be bearish for retracement. Yeah, it could be. It could be. I'm looking for some levels where it can go down. Obviously, it could take down or take out this 169 low, depending if it's going to be a displacement or not. We have some flat candles up here, and you know, quite interesting levels. Who knows what it wants at this point? Does it want to break higher or whatever? No idea. No idea. No major pullback since the turtle soup. Oh yeah, it's just going straight up, and I'm trying to figure out how far, but the only thing I see is maybe a not too perfect order block to the left. This is the thing I see up there, if it wants to take that out. Otherwise nothing. I also think gold can be going higher, but at this point, do we have some news, by the way? Spanish news in 50 minutes. Otherwise nothing special. So I try to go with this. Who knows? Who knows? Let's see. No major news, that's the issue. That's the problem. George, good morning. What's happening? All right. Seems like NQ just got unplugged. So I have to wait for the direction. Maybe it's gonna do some liquidity sweep, who knows? Excuse me. Gotta have to wait. Best DJ in town, what's up? Good to see you, man. Well, just waiting, you know. The 1 minute seems pretty much like nothing here on NQ. The 5 minute still a little bit shows that it might want to take it higher, but no entry. We have some fair value gaps on the downside as well, some good targets. If we look at the 1 hour, well, yesterday was like taking out everybody all around the place, but in this scenario, well, we can go anywhere. We're basically just narrowing down, going for inside range. So who knows what's gonna happen? Look at this. I don't know. Just no clear direction for now. So London will be slow. Yeah, London will be slow. I guess so too. That's what I'm feeling as well. Could be a little bit slow. I mean, since the 2 a.m. hour, everything is just turned off, which is fine because usually we can see that during the London session. Now we have a little bit of a pop here, so Otherwise, nothing. We don't have anything. I'm on gold, by the way. If you guys are into gold, I'm watching these levels to the left from yesterday. Relative equal highs. Excuse me about my voice. I don't know what the hell is going on. Relative equal highs to the left. This is the 15-minute gold chart. I do like that level. If you go a little bit higher, 1 hour, you can also see it here. This is actually a top of an order block up there. Sorry, bearish order block. Not a perfect one, but it is a bearish order block. So it might want to take it out. Not sure. So I'm looking at those levels on gold. Otherwise, nothing special. Well, as for NQ, it's hard to say anything. Still no decision. As best DJ in town said, it could be just a slow open until this one decides which direction to go. I do have, by the way, oh, I forgot to say, a very tiny, super small position open on gold, like 3 micros, I think. Yeah, 3. Where is it? Here. I opened up on the wrong contract because, as you see, it looks like it looks like terrible. I opened up on the wrong contract, but anyway. I'm still in a long, so doesn't really matter. But yeah, for now that's it. Actually, I took this one on the on one of the Bulenox accounts. Yeah, right, this one. I'm in a small drawdown. Not too bad, but small drawdown. I'm long on gold. I'm long. Anna Edward, hey. Good to see you, Anna. How you doing? So I'm long on gold. And actually I can show you my entry here. I mean, my entry is terrible. My entry is super terrible. But here you go. This is my gold trade. Doing well, all right. I mean, everything's fine here as well. Everything is okay. Everything's great. Everything's perfect. I'm in a long position, but I took the trade on the wrong contract. So if you see my chart, look at this. What the hell is this? I took it on the wrong chart. I should have taken it on this is the numbers are not the same, everything is different, but anyway, the idea is the same. I want it to go up there for the this is micro, 3 micro, so I took it with 3 micros, nothing special. So I want it to go up there. All right, NQ seems like it wants to go for that area that we talked about here, which is the order block. Right up there. So it could go. And that's it. 22.7 bottom. Well, if you look at the higher time frame, 22/7. I don't understand. Maybe the candle, right? I don't know. I don't know which you refer to, but yeah, something like that. I don't know. George. Oh, Joey, sorry. That's the Q. You need the Z. Yeah, I need the Z contract. I accidentally, I don't know why, I wasn't really watching. I was just searching for the tab to quickly enter the position. Then I realized, oh no, because it was a market execution. But no matter, it's still gonna be fine. It's still fine. Yeah, I need the Z. Yeah. Actually, 5:45 EU time. Sorry. Yeah, it could be. Maybe. Depending on which EU country. But yeah. Joy. I'm not sure where's the bottom on gold, by the way. The only thing I want to go for right now, if it goes there, is these equal highs. So, but I see this 24.30-ish as a bottom, maybe, and then go higher. So yeah, seems like it could go sideways for a while. NQ should be taking out this. Let me show you. This tiny level right there. Go to GCQ and look at the bottom four. All right. What the hell? GCQ. 15 minute. Yeah. This is GCQ. $15-minute formation. Yeah, it could be. I wasn't really looking. Never mind. I'm still sleeping. But anyway. It might not gonna turn out good anyways. Good morning, Kevin. Here dumps and Q. Oh, let's see. Let's see. All right. I thought at first it wants to take out that order block. Now the next target could be or should be this here. 168. Quite interesting. If it starts to go down, what could be the level? 158, maybe. There's a level on the 5-minute. 158. I'm not trusting this because we have a liquidity void. Look at that. Even the indicator saw that. And yeah, so it's here on the mini. We have this void and we're in London. So when we are in London, These voids are usually, you know, are getting filled. And I still don't trust this dump because of this formation to the left. So it should go back, reprice or rebalance this high, sorry, this void, and then go higher. I'm not taking a short for now. 170 support from earlier. Yeah. Could be. I'm not taking a short right now because we have this void on the mini, but it doesn't mean it's not going to dump down first. NQ is still there. Oh, sorry, gold. You see, it's going back into that area. Huh. And we're back into the void, and I think we're going to go to 216, but yeah, it's going. Let's go. Let's go. It's going. There you go. As expected. As expected. Perfectly. Alright, that's why I don't like to take a short. Even though it has a structure shift, my main decision by not jumping into a short is this void. In London session, guys, if you see a liquidity void, especially on the mini, not on the micro, obviously heavier volume on the mini. If you see something like this, that's no go. That's a red flag to jump into a short in London session. You know, this is like almost 2 points. It's obvious that it should be, and we have on the left this absolutely not too perfect order block that should be break 216.50, and then maybe even go higher to the 20s, reprice this fair value gap. So no shorts for me right now. Gold trade is looking better. Hansen, good morning. What's happening? What's happening? Gold trade is looking better, although gold is tricky. She's dirty. She's very dirty. She can do some nasty stuff, you know. And look at that. Ba-dum-bum, ba-dum-bum. Come on, we can still go higher to reprice the order block, sorry, fair value gap higher at the 20s. I can't find it anywhere. Liquidity void, it's new to me. Well, you're welcome. I'm not saying that, I mean, you have to, there's something that's important to mention. These kind of liquidity voids are usually not that important. I mean, especially if you're in New York session when the volume is obviously much higher. And I'm also speaking from experience, but also ICT says this too. So liquidity voids are not that important levels. These are just secondary things. Market doesn't really respect these levels all that much. When you see a liquidity void in New York session, especially when there is enough volume, then these liquidity voids, especially on the 1 minute, which we are on right now, are not usually respected. But since we are in London session and there's not much to do usually, and I'm talking now from experience, usually price likes to at least reprice, if not rebalancing it, at least wick into the liquidity void and reprice it quickly. So I noticed. So if I see a liquidity void, especially one that is like 2 points, like this one, this is like almost 2 points. That's a flag. Like, okay, there could be something happening here. Okay, but if you see this in New York, don't be attached to it, because in New York session, these voids are mostly disrespected. So just saying, not that important level. Anyway. Mary, good morning. Hey. Missed move? HG? No, we have many moves. Don't worry, Kevin. Which time frame are you looking for that liquidity? Any time frame. Martin, any single time frame. You can have a liquidity void on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and I'm not really looking for it. So I'm not looking for the liquidity void. I don't care about the liquidity void. But if it pops up in a kill zone, for example, now, you know, we're in a kill zone from 2 a.m. And so here's 2 a.m. We are in the kill zone. If I see a liquidity void on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, it matters on which time frame are you mostly trading or looking for an entry. If I see a void, that gives me a huge question mark. Like, okay, I could have just, you know, taken a short here because it changed the structure. We already went up there. It might want to go down and take the 168, you know. Obviously, that would be a good plan. It can still be a good plan after taking out this order block. I mean, getting into this order block. But when you see this, you know, the plan is off, for me at least. If there would be no liquidity void here, maybe I could have entered a short. It was tempting to go for a short, take out that wick. But that's it. That's it. It depends on your trading, you know. So it depends on which time frame are you looking for to enter, you know, which is your favorite, where is your entry model playing out. And if you see a liquidity void on the 5 minute during the London session, that's a big flag. Like, okay, the 5 minute is usually not doing too much of a liquidity void. So if you see it on the 5 minute or 15 minute or higher, then that's usually like, uh-oh, there could be something happening. And you know, if you see it like 1 tick or 2 tick, that is, you know, permissible. But if you see something like this, which starts from like 97.75 to 99, 99.25, I say like, okay, that's like more than 1 point and 1.75, no, 1.5. Yeah, 1.5. So that's like 6 ticks. Anyway, that's just a theory. You don't have to go with it. But Tommy, good morning. Kevin, I'm not a fan of counter trend trades. Yeah, yeah, neither. I mean, I don't like that too, to be honest. So if I see this move, especially after all this strong push to the highs, I always, you know, if I would have jumped into this without the void, I would have taken it with a small position, and maybe I would have taken profit as soon as I can, or maybe put it to break even as soon as I can. For now, it seems like we're pretty much bullish. Everything is pretty much goes bullish right now. But I think, and this is just, you know, thinking out loud, stupid things maybe, that it will go up there, take out the order block, reprice, maybe reprice that fair value gap there, and do whatever it does, maybe even goes higher, maybe form a structure, and I like to see some kind of a pullback. Oops. So this is something I would like to see this morning in London. I think the liquidity sweep on these levels is still not over, but if it's over, it's better. If it's over, then I'll be looking to take out the swing low, maybe go down to that 5-minute gap or lower. Who knows? You know. For example, look at this now. Nice little displacement. Looking good, actually. I like the targets. This is actually good. Why not take a short? But what do we have? I know, it's frustrating because now you're concentrating on these voids all over the place, right? I'm not jumping into a short here. I just can't. Waldo, good morning. Good to see you, Waldo. What's happening? So liquidity void means that we don't have a stick. Yeah, something like that. They're not. So it usually means like this one closed here and the next candle opened up in a totally different price, and there's no connection between the two, not with one wick. There's a space between the two right here. You see, there's no trade has happened between the two candles. No trade, absolutely nothing. So you see, nothing has happened. In this case right now, it is totally disrespected. I think one of the reasons why this one was respected more, because we didn't go into the order block up there previously. So don't bet that we're gonna come back up here immediately and reprice this. So I'm just saying that just let's observe price and let's watch what it does. I'm sorry, I can't speak English this morning. Let's see what it does. And it should be slowly maybe coming up there. It still didn't finish with the order block up at 216. So it's still an unfinished business. That doesn't mean it's not gonna go down. I'm not gonna jump in here because I just don't like this for now. But you know, look at CL at 1 hour, sitting at key support level. It breaks. It looks like we could see CL 1 hour. Seems like it's breaking the previous low, and yes, it's a key level. Let me put a line there. Yeah, exactly. It's at a key. If it breaks that, we could be seeing some more drop. We have this fair value gap on the 1 hour all the way down to 75. Could be repriced. And would you look at that, we have a bullish order block down there. Not too perfect, but it's a bullish order block. Look at that, down at 74 at CL. It can go all the way down. So yes, it can be super bearish. CL, absolutely agree. I don't trade this, but it definitely looks like if I would have to bet something on CL, I would say yes, it could break it, and then boom. Booyah, you know, goes down, booyah. That's it. That's what can happen. My 2 cents. That's it. Where is Waldo? Waldo is here. St. Patrick, good morning. You're welcome, Martin. By the way, guys, please help me out and push the like button and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna do giveaways this week as well. So, you know, stay tuned. And also, if you would like to support the stream and the channel, I would be greatly appreciate that if you use my codes and links. That keeps me here full time. I'm not going to go into all the sales right now, but Bulenox is ending the 90%, I think, tomorrow. Of course, we might see some new sales coming up next month, but, you know, make sure to grab some. Take Profit Trader, 50% off. Activation fee came back, but if at your first withdrawal, you get your initial evaluation account fee back. And Apex still does the big sale, $40 for the big accounts, 80% down, and MyFundedFutures, obviously no activation fee. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. First week of June. Give it a try with the micro. Yeah, maybe. Morning, Holy Grail. Good to see you. Yield some good return. All right, Komodo, good to see you. What's going on? I know you a bit well. Did anyone bother you this? Nobody bothered me this morning. Everything is cool. Everything is fine. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling great. I'm in a long trade on gold. This is my trade on gold, but I took it on the wrong contract. I took it with micros, but look at this. Look at this contract. Look at how bad it looks like. It looks like I don't know. I wasn't checking on the contracts. I just pushed I just selected the micros and pushed the buy button, market order this morning before the stream or something like that. I don't even know. And here I am sitting in this position. But anyway, the goal is the same. I want to see relative equal highs taken out on gold. That's it. So that's the only thing. It's just micros, so not significant. Zach, good morning. What will we get in the giveaway? Lamborghini? Oh yeah, Lamborghini, small tiny one, you know, the small one. Small tiny Lambo. Yeah, earnings are coming out once the first comes there, guys. Yeah. If not anything else, Meta Apple. Oh yeah, this week. This week we have some numbers actually. You're lying. Tell us what happened. I don't know what happened. I'm not lying. Everybody. My therapist. I don't know. Do I look like something happened? I feel off. I mean, this is awesome. You guys are here. What could I say? Barminder. Yeah. Everything is great. Life is good. You guys are here. Everybody's feeling great. You know, hopefully making profits. FOMC. Oh yeah, yeah. We are technically on an NFP week, so be careful. We are on an NFP week. Dun, 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 Da-dum, da-da. Is the FOMC the real one? Well, let's see. So, this week. Is it going to be FOMC minutes tomorrow or what? FOMC statement and press conference. So tomorrow it's gonna be everybody send away the kids, close your ears, and rated R. I'm gonna say tomorrow is gonna be a shit show. All right, at the press conference. So nobody cares about the FOMC statement that much. I mean, obviously everybody cares, but the real show comes at the press conference. So focus on that. That's going to be the big tomorrow. Today we have only JOLTS job openings. Guys, I can't speak. For a Hungarian like me, Hungarian language and English are totally different. The way you talk, it's hard for me to pronounce English words. Oh, thank you, Walnut Man. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. So FOMC press conference, and what else do we have? August 1st. Unemployment claims. Okay, so this is going to be the shit show. FOMC press conference. Get prepared. Dominic, hey, welcome. Do I have my Discord open? I don't even have my Discord opened up. What's happening with me? Full porting for FOMC. Let's go, guys. But be careful. Yeah, rate decision. Wednesday is going to be the big firecracker show. I think I should trade what? Tomorrow. Today it will be collecting. Oh yeah, today it's collecting the money. Tomorrow happens the real move. And now look at that. What were we just talking about? What a strange coincidence. Liquidity void again. So, everybody, I think we learned something this morning about liquidity voids, right? Even if you see this beautiful displacement, boom, booyah, we should go down, right? No, Mother Tucker, because there's a liquidity void. And there we go, going back to the liquidity void. Sorry. And this little fellow here, which is called liquidity void, says, no, my man, you're not gonna go down. I'm here, just come back to this area because we have some talk to do. And it just happened. And Price said, all right, man, I'm gonna go back and let's talk. All right, and that's what happened. 300 tonight. Actually, that can happen. Let's see, Walnut. Oh, wow. 300. I like that. I'm gonna actually put a line there. 300. 99.50. Who cares? It's the same. Yeah, it can happen. Who knows? Who knows? NQ is not done yet here. And gold is just, somebody pulled the plug on gold. NQ is like a girlfriend. Betrays at the same time. Yeah. Well, the dirty girl is gold. She's obviously the dirtiest one. I never trust gold. Never trust gold. And I usually trade gold with the smallest size now that I'm picking it up again. Gold is the dirty one. She likes to play dirty more. It's heavily manipulated. Asia high. It is an option. Could be. Let's see. What is Asia high here? Yeah, here you go. Here we go. Booyah. Buy side liquidity. Boom. 37. It feels like it wants to go. When you cannot trust, why still trade that instrument? That's a very, very, very good question, Hansen. Because we are gamblers, right? And we want to make money on the moves. So I guess because we are all gamblers, but professional gamblers, or at least we want to be professional gamblers. I mean, I'm not saying trading is pure gambling, but I say you take educated guesses all the way, like Mark Douglas says. So, and you want to ride the beast, you know. There's a lot of instruments, all natural gas, lean hog, soybean. Oh yeah, there is. The problem is, for example, the soybean, and you know, maybe we could trade soybean futures. Unfortunately, 90% of those futures are absolutely untradeable in the London session. So lack of volume, or the market is not open, or whatever. The only thing that we can trade in the London session is, which has somewhat of a volume. You cannot even trade ES. I mean, look at this. Look at the 1 minute chart on ES. I mean, right now it looks somewhat okay, but this is the micro. I don't even have the mini on. What happened? Oh, here it is. But look at this. Is this something to be, I mean, no. So, I mean, NQ is somewhat the only one that has some volume in the London session, and maybe gold. I'd like to trade maybe something more predictable, like maybe, I don't know. I guess if I want to trade soybeans or natural gas, I might have to go a little bit deeper into fundamentals too, right? It's more, I don't know. I never traded it, so who knows? Is it a bad idea to trade for only? No, it's absolutely not. 1 hour 30 minutes comes after. It's depending on your system. If you know, write down your rules, just stick to your rules. You know, if you make a rule like a trade for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you say, okay, I'm not taking a trade after that time frame, then that's a rule set you might have to stick to. So then that's the one you should go with. It's not a bad idea. Yeah, if it comes after that time frame, then don't be sad about it, because it was not in your specified time frame or rules. It's actually good if you do some backtesting, you know, collect some information, some data, and you will know better, I think. Yes, PL, CL. Yeah, CL. Excuse me. CL is also good. CL is also good, but look at CL on the 1 minute. Look at crude oil on the 1 minute. Is this really tradable on the 1 minute? I mean, for day trading, intraday, I think it's terrible to trade. Look at this. I mean, for the London session. For the New York session, it's okay. You will see cleaner candles, but this obviously indicates the lack of volume. So I don't think I'm gonna sit in crude oil during the London session. That doesn't mean you guys can't. I just don't feel like I want to. PL, platinum, is that platinum? What is PL stands for? I'm sorry, I'm not sure. Platinum, right? I never traded platinum futures. I'm sorry. I just not sure what PL is. It could be platinum, I think. I guess it's not Polish, right? Platinum, there you go. Yeah. I never traded it. I have no freaking idea how that moves. But, you know, if there would be vibranium or adamantium, I might trade that. But no, I don't know. It is. Gold up. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Maybe my gold trade is in the green finally. I know it's funny, but next time I will check it twice. I entered on the wrong contract, guys. That's why it looks so bad. But obviously, I'm looking on gold to take out these highs. So the target is essentially the same, but I took it on the wrong contract. So, but still, it's fine. I took it on the wrong contract. My target would be to take the highs right here, relative equal highs. That's it. I'm gonna leave that trade. It's a small position, but the risk reward is good. Look at that, 3.1, or at least nearly 3. So that's a good one. I'm gonna leave it that. NQ is, well, I have no idea what NQ does. Palm oil, crude palm oil. Don't tell me this. I have no idea where to trade that or how. Is it even existing? I don't know, man. Maybe I will look into crude, but you know, the only time I could be looking into crude oil is New York session. I could not take it in London. So they have this futures. Okay. That's actually interesting. If you have strictly following your plan, how many days in a month would you have no trade days? Well, it depends. I have some rules. One of the rules for me is so don't trade the funded accounts on Monday and Monday London session for sure, or Friday at all. So, for example, but if I just look at it overall, my rules are very simple. Only trade the kill zones, only in the kill zones. Don't open a trade before red folder news, like for example 30 minutes or 40 minutes before. Don't open any trade. Don't open a trade 30-40 minutes before the 9:30 market open, which is the stock exchange open. And basically that's it. That's the major rules. And don't trade the news, obviously. I never trade the news on the funded accounts. On evaluation, when I go crazy, sometimes I do. Usually ends up 50-50 result. But that's it. Only kill zones. No trade before the news or market open. And that's it, basically. Runitium, Dragon, what is that? Uritanium, what is this? Spring sweaters. These are all futures. All right, I guess we can go for these instruments, right? We can go for it. Let's go for it. Gold slowly making its way higher. NQ stuck in this range. Oh yes, I played RuneScape. Yes, that it was familiar. I played RuneScape. To be honest, I never really I understood it, but I played it. Yes, that's it. I played it, but it was years before. And now we've taken out the order block. I told you guys, I told you that we're gonna go to 216. I told you. I told you. I told you. And 237 is next. If I'm not sure about the 237, but I think it has a good chance for it. So you're long? You're out. You're out, man. St. Patrick, you should be out. Congratulations, you're done. All right. Congratulations, St. Patrick. Let me give you an applause. Nice. The reason I'm asking is because I want to divide my 2000 drawdown by tradable days. I see. For risk per trade. Yeah. Yeah, you can divide it. So obviously you have to trade with micros, but yes, you can. Nice. Nice trade there, St. Patrick. Now, as Batman or Bane said it to Batman in the prison, now you have my permission to enter a short. Isham, good morning. Everyone is doing well. Hope you're doing well too, Isham. Good to see you, my man. Yeah, micros are way less stress, guys. So micros, oh no, gold is going against me. Micros will let you to hold the trade much easier, less stress. Online safety, hey. McQuinton B, thank you for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. Good to have you here. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining the stream and the channel. All right. Gold is down again. What's happening with gold? Nobody knows. If you're a beginner or pro, it's stressless. It's even if you're a pro. I know quote unquote pro traders who are actually really making, they're not on social media, making good money, and they trade micros. And they're making good money. Like, they obviously don't have the Lambo in the garage or behind them, but they're making some good money with only trading micros. All right. I'm down on my knees. I wanna take you there in the midnight hour. Oh, sorry, that's not that. Oh, just like a prayer. Okay. I was watching Deadpool in the cinema, in the movies, in the cinema. It was cool. McQuentin, hey, good night. Any advice for trades too early in London? Well, for now, I don't have anything. Closing. Well, closing trades too early on NQ. So the problem is you're closing trades too early. Maybe trade a little bit less, smaller size, and you know, you will relieve yourself from that stress. So you can leave that trade on for a longer term, or maybe take partials if you can. Obviously, you can do it with micros, or maybe put it to break even, or you know, tighten your stop a little bit, just to reduce your risk. Because obviously, if you reduce your risk by trading small size or taking partials, tightening your stop, all these things, you're going to be able to hold the trade for longer. That's my personal opinion. So you're not going to close it that early, because that's an error on my end too, many times, still until nowadays too. if I just want to make back some profit, especially after a losing streak, I tend to close down the trade early. And I should have just sat longer in that, right? So what you can do is maybe do all these things. Tighten the stop, smaller size, take partials. All these things are going to help you to to be relieved from stress a little bit. But, you know, just put 100 micro and let's see. Oh yeah, 100 micro. And you can take partials with 100 micros, you know. I'm now at war with Apex TopStep. What? Why are you in war with them? Apex TopStep. Did TopStep do something bad? Come on, man. TopStep is like the beacon of prop firms. One of the OGs. What did they do? Tom had water leak issues, which was tracked down to a broken pipe under the shower. Okay, so far. Also had to rewiring replacement of circuit breakers on the electricity. Oh, well, wow. Oh, you mean the computer? What? Okay, Isham. Tracked down to a broken pipe. Okay. Circuit breakers on the electricity distribution board. Jesus, that sounds serious. Trader Monk, hey there. Yo, welcome, McQuinton. Vida loves TopStep. Vida loves TopStep. Apex approved your 2K payout. Guys, everybody, congratulations to Trader Monk. Congratulations. Congratulations on your approved payout. Trader Monk, can I ask, because this is going to be my first payout on Apex, when did you requested the payout? I'm guessing you requested in the 15th to 20th window, and you got applied approved now, I'm guessing. But man, this is awesome. Ah, that way does lots. Okay. Fellow Hungarian trader in disguise with a new name. Gratulálok. All right. You know, I love stuff because because I can't use it. I know why though. I don't know why some of these prop firms are banning certain countries. So I still don't understand. Romania is actually doing well. It's a European Union country, but the same countries like Slovenia, Croatia are also on this list. Those countries are doing great. Slovenia is in the European Union since like 2004 or something. I don't know what's the issue. Anyway, Parminder, like NQ has been doing it since 2 days. I don't think I will pass the Apex account. What? Don't say that, Parminder. 17th. Okay. Okay, thank you. Köszönöm. I lived in for 3 years. Best DJ in town. Nice. I know the Top G, which is, you know, the Andrew Tate guy who lives there in Bucharest. But I know that Lotsa and Vojda lives in Transylvania, which is ancient Hungarian territory, you know. So basically, Trader Monk waited 13 days for the approval. Guys, this is almost like a new record. 13 days or 12 days. 12 days for approval, guys. All right. So I'm going to request my payout on the 1st of August, and I'm not expecting any answer from Apex for 2 weeks. So then I should be, you know, just within my expectations. 9 days, especially business days. Yes, that's true. I lived in Bucharest, right by the House of Parliament. Wow, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, money is money. I told you guys, if I can just make one payout in 1 month from one account, that's fine for me. If I have to wait 2 weeks for the payout, I'll wait 2 weeks. As long as I can have one payout in 1 month per one account, that's fine for me. So I have no problem. At least money is money. Just pay me out on a monthly salary, you know. that's like a monthly salary. If you have a prop company that is not dependent on customer money, then there's only one up trader. Okay, because if you pass there, it will be transferred to an external institution and get a real money account. Whoa, that I didn't know. One up trader. I'm going to write it down, just the name, just to look into it. One up trader. Okay. It's Trading Star. What's happening? Welcome. Good to see you, man. If you want the truth about Apex stuff, so just go read Trustpilot, Reddit. Oh yeah, I was reading it. I was sometimes I go there and there's also always some negative comments there. I read. TopStep also has some, well, some negative. Every prop firm has some 1-star reviews. But I was reading some stories on Reddit too, with screenshots and pictures. So I mean, every prop firm has issues to deal with, but rules are very strict, right? I've been waiting since the 15th on one account. One got approved last week, both submitted same day. Well, maybe they're gonna look into the trades a little bit more detailed. Seems like we're going for the 37. Gold is still here. I don't know what the hell is going on with gold. I was up again in the green and now it's going back down. Nobody knows what the hell gold wants to do anymore. But don't forget, some good deals are happening right now. I won't say anything more about Apex stuff because you need to shield. You can say anything you want. Online safety. I made peace with the whole thing. So you can, anybody can say I shield prop firms. I do. Because without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here. And you know, and I'm not denying it. I mean, I'm not denying that without the affiliate commissions, I could not be here. And that's the reality. I hope that it will change. That's the goal, obviously. So I'm very, very grateful to you guys who were using my codes and everything. What can I say? That's it. So you can say anything on Apex, even on me too. I mean, I made my peace. You went short on NQ. Nice. Let's see. What else is there here? Yeah, NQ might gonna turn around here. You blew your 5K profit by waiting for Apex payout. Oh, you should just move on to the next account, Trading Star. But this is why, Trading Star, this is why I'm still waiting for the request. So let me show you this account. Where is it? I have more. So this account here, I'm just waiting for the payout request. I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for this. I have another funded account with them here. Boom. I'm trading on these funded accounts. These are relatively new, but I'm building up these. I have another one which is only have like $38, but for this one, I'm not touching it. I'm moving on to the next one. Just a quick advice. And for the Bulenox account, one of this is almost ready for another payout, funded account. I don't have too many accounts. I still have the TopStep account. One TopStep account I have currently. I have more accounts with TradeAwait now, so this is just arithmetic. I have a TradeAwait funded account with MyFundedFutures. These are just evaluations. And I'm doing this evaluation with Bulenox. So I have another Bulenox account, but I just flipped it for $13. I have another one here, $38. Anyway. So just move on to another account. I've calculated based on my strategy that I will have around 11 trades. So I will divide the drawdown. That's good. That's very good. 180 USD risk. That's a very good one. Komodo. That's a good one. If they're doing that to you and you don't blow, then you will deny another way. Yeah, I mean, just be careful with the DCAing. I think Apex have a problem for the payout. People are complaining. Yeah, I heard people not getting paid out, but also we had many people got payouts. So I know it's frustrating, and I might gonna get denied. Who knows? Or YouTubers never get denied. I don't know. But even if I get denied, we have people every single week, like not just one. We have multiple people on the stream every single week getting paid getting paid by Apex. So I don't know. I don't trade them till they are approved. Yeah, me neither. I don't touch these accounts. I'm not gonna touch that account until I don't get approved. It's not against the rules. What I do, by the way, I flip every single account with one micro every week, just to make sure everything is moved. So I'm 70 something dollars above the payout threshold, above the payout threshold. So next week I'm gonna do one micro trade. Obviously, I'll try to aim for a good one. I'm gonna flip it once, and then the next week as well. So I'm flipping the accounts, every single prop firm, every account I'm flipping once every week, just to make sure that nothing is gonna be, you know. Around how long does it take you to pass a 50K eval? Well, it depends. If I YOLO an account, which means I go in with full size and I do crazy trades, I usually pass it in one day, but I might have to sacrifice like 2 or 3 evaluation accounts. Usually I go with the cheap ones like Bulenox and Apex. If I don't want to waste too many accounts, for example, with MyFundedFutures, which are a little bit more expensive upfront cost, or you know, take profit trader or whatever, then it usually takes 2 to 3 weeks because I take it slow. That's why I have most of my funded accounts with Apex and Bulenox, because it's cheap upfront cost. You know, when I go in, I buy 3 or 4 evaluation accounts, maybe 5, and I wait for the high volatility and I just, boom, go in. If it blows me out, then, you know, switch to the next one, try to go for the next trade. So that's why I have funded accounts with Bulenox and Apex more. And I only have one funded account with MyFundedFutures. So usually 3 weeks. Try to do it before the 30-day period. I try to do it before the 30 days period. So move on to another prop. Yeah, its trading started happened 2 months ago. Since that I stopped buying from them. Oh, paid out every month from Apex. There you go, Kevin. If Apex asks me for a video, I'll send them my poo video. It's obviously a business decision. Yeah. TopStep also denied payouts, so I'm not gonna go into details, but we have proof. TopStep also denied payouts in certain cases, but that goes for the only prop firm that we didn't hear that denied payout is Bulenox and Take Profit Trader. Otherwise, there are proofs and stories about Apex, MyFundedFutures, TopStep. So it's a business, guys. It's a business for them as well. They have to, well, you know, they need to keep some of that capital, you know, from the failed accounts. And obviously, if they have a negative cash flow, I mean, obviously, I don't think they have a negative cash flow. But if their income is declining a little bit, they might enforcing those rules a little bit more. So, yeah. 50% payouts are denied. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, McQuinton. Hey, Brownie. How do you calculate points in the chart? How do I calculate points? You know, after some time, it's simple because, you know, 1 point is 4 ticks. If you're asking me how do I calculate the risk, it's very simple. For example, if I want to enter here, there's a very good tool. It's called long position tool on TradingView. You put it there. You say like, this is going to be my stop loss and my take profit is going to be up there. For example, let's go with this. It says to you the risk to reward ratio is 1.99, but now let's just keep it 2.02. And if you go in here, you can say that you want the risk to be calculated $100. Okay. And it's going to say to you the quantity of this trade should be 0.1 mini. Now, obviously, this is a mini chart, but if you go on the micros and you put on the same thing, it's going to say to you 1.2 micros quantity. If you risk $100 on this trade, you have to risk 1.2 micros. Obviously, you cannot put 1.2 micros, but it will give you an estimate of how much risk you have to take. Your risk to reward will be 2 to 1. You see? 2.04. And it helps you to calculate the position. For example, here on gold, this is not the micro, this is the mini, but it's just 1 point to the left. 3 micros. That's why I enter 3 micros into this trade. It's a very useful tool. I think I did a video a few months ago about this. A very good risk management calculator. It gives you the points in ticks. You see, this is the ticks, take profit, stop loss level, everything. Also, you can read it here in ticks and up there as well. So it's a useful little tool. That's how I use it. Yeah, they earn millions. I don't know. I mean, in TopStep, the reason was not actually the trading itself. I think it was because the guy was having multiple accounts, so he got denied. That's what I know from TopStep. The person was having multiple accounts from the same household, and he said that he was trading. His wife was having an account and whatever. And he just got denied because they checked the IP address or whatever, and that's how. At least that's what I was reading. He posted out, but yeah. Will there be any trade today or not? Trade Guru? Who's Trade Guru? I'm looking for some trades. Parminder, I really want to go in, but look at this. This is just sideways. No clear movement. Nothing. I mean, I'm waiting for to enter something. I'm gonna let you guys know. The only thing I'm sitting right now is is this gold trade, which obviously it's acting up weird. But I think we have a good chance that we're gonna pop the Asia highs. Let's just say Asia high, but it's so we can pop through that one. They just keep your money and you keep the account. Yes, if you got denied, you can continue trading, and for the next payout period, they're gonna check you again, like consistency, DCAing, strategy wise, whatever. But I also we also had someone here who got denied, and for the second payout request he got paid, so you can continue to trade. Yes. Yeah. So we have people who got denied for the first time. He continued to trade for the next 10 days, and for the second time he got approved for the payout. So you can keep the account. It's not gonna get disabled or deleted or anything. Just have to do it by their rules. I have 500k static and 570 accounts. It's just for fun mostly. All right. Click the like button. I promise you won't blow your account if you do. All right. Thank you, Kamado. Then find another reason to deny you. Yes, there are always some people who got denied. Obviously I don't know all the details about those denials, but yeah, most likely I guess it's about DCAing or micro scalping maybe. So I don't know. Trustpilot has negative reviews basically from every prop firm. So if you go to Trustpilot and if you just select the 1-star reviews, you will find basically negative reviews of every prop firm out there. Yeah, good luck with that online safety. I hope it goes well. Quant Tower is a good platform. I mean, to trade with. Obviously it has the rhythmic connection. MyFundedFutures is permanently disabling the rhythmic connection for new purchases. If you have already purchased rhythmic accounts, you can keep it until you have the subscription or the funded account, but no more rhythmic accounts. That's what MyFundedFutures said, by the way. No more rhythmic accounts, because they said they had too many issues with rhythmic, so they just stopping with the new purchases for rhythmic. Micro scalping is usually for being in a trade for 1 or 2 seconds and go for like 4 or 5 ticks, not points, 4, 5, 6 ticks. So 1 point is 4 ticks on NQ. So that's like almost like algorithmic trading, and that's what some people did who were trying to go with algorithmic trades. It's mostly against them. So if sometime you slip in 1 or 2 trades like that, at least MyFundedFutures said if they see something like that 1 or a few times, it's all right until they see that the rest of the trades are steady and you have a steady money management and equity curve. It's fine. But there were some traders who were strictly only, most likely with algorithmic trading, were abusing those accounts, like executing like 100 trades in 20 minutes or in an hour, like boom 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 boom, going for that 3, 4, 5 ticks with 2 seconds. So that's what they're trying to go against. But if you enter a trade and you immediately close it because you change your mind or something not checks out, then obviously it's fine, if they see that you have a regular money management. But if keep getting denied, it's just waste of time. Time is money. Better use real accounts. If you're broke, just micro, then yeah, maybe. Yeah. I hope I'm not get denied my first PA account. Worked so hard. Yeah, I hope so too. In a worst case scenario, that's the worst case. You should be able to continue to trade. Maybe you can push it with a little bit lower risk for the next payout period. But yeah, I know it's very bad if you were working on that PA account for such a long time and you know you get the denial. That sucks. So guys, I might gonna get denied too. I know I had at least one trade when I DCA'd. So I added more than once. I have the screenshot, I have the rhythmic data, everything has been copied. There is at least one trade that I DCA'd on my Apex funded account that I'm gonna request the payout. So that's gonna be interesting. So I'm prepared. If they're gonna deny the payout, obviously I'm gonna continue trading. That's it. Yeah, a waste of time. You work so hard. Yeah, they seriously have financial. I don't think they have financial issues. With all respect, I think they're making a ton of money still. I think Apex is making gigantic amount of money still after these rule changes. That's my personal opinion. I think they're making enormous amount of money. So still in this phase. So yeah, a real money account. I will switch to IQ feed. Oh, I see. When you go to funded and MyFundedFutures, you can't change. If you go to funded, you cannot change the platform. You have to go. So if you're on a Rhythmic now, you're gonna get your funded account on a Rhythmic account. That's what I know. So I started to trade with the funded account I have with them is on TradeAwait, because at that time I wanted to purchase a Rhythmic account, but they were not letting me purchase Rhythmic because again Rhythmic was having issues. So I purchased the TradeAwait account, and fortunately it got to a funded, and they said I can only continue with TradeAwait. So it's TradeAwait. I was trading with Apex up to yesterday. Too much spine lag. Oh, just quit permanently. Oh, you made profits 19,500 on the eval, and so I'm not. Yeah, then you should leave. You know, you should not pay the activation fee. Online safety. I'm sorry about that, but you should not pay the activation fee. You know, you should just leave them. I have TopStep account and we'll be getting a payout with them this week. Nice, let's go, Ina. Let's go. You're on TradeAwait? All right. Deals is Zinga. What about Elite Trader? I don't know much about Elite Trader funding, so I wanted to trade with them, but I'm already trading with like 5 prop firms, so don't know much about them. Up to 275. Nice. Congrats, Ina. Congrats. You can, if you have, you can use Quant Tower if you have TradeAwait. Really, Tony? That's good news. How is it possible? Can I log in to the TradeAwait credentials with Quant Tower? Is that a thing? I'm gonna actually search for that. If I can't do that, that would be awesome. That would be a game changer if I can log in with the TradeAwait credentials. If I can do that, then I'm gonna purchase all my new accounts with TradeAwait, obviously. If I can log in with Quant Tower, that would be great. Think so? Oh, I'm requesting a video of the trades. Yes, so far from the people that got denied or paid out, the ones we know here from stream did not say they got requested for a video about the trades. We know one person, I don't know the name, who said he got an email asking from Apex. They were asking about his strategy in an email. That's all. But so far, from the past 6-8 weeks since this new rules are on, I don't know anyone asked for a video. Hey, OC Pedal Pusher, OC Pedal Pusher. Sorry, I butchered your name there. Welcome to the channel. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. I have Quant Tower. Yes, I have Quant Tower now. This is Quant Tower. There you go. Quant Tower. So I have multiple connections. Right now I'm connected to TopStep, MyFundedFutures, Bulenox. So I can just, you know, choose whatever I want. And boom, you know. Quant Tower is good. No issues. I like Quant Tower. This chart is just stretched to the stream. So yeah. I like Quant Tower. What can I say? Bulenox would be the best if they offer trade await. Yeah, I'm actually going to write them an email because I just received an email a few days ago from Bulenox that as an affiliate, they wanted to write me down my opinions. What changes should they do? What would be, so that's a good thing. Bulenox actually asking what would be better for the community, for the traders, and I have like 2 points already, but written down, but I'm gonna write down that they should be moving towards trade await as well. That would be an awesome thing for them to have. Just use your rhythmic connection for trade await. Really? Rhythmic paper trading? That's not gonna work out. It's a different data, I think. I deliberately blew the account using 15 lots when I was... Oh. Well, online safety, I think, is best for you to leave Apex, for sure. Forever, you know. And TopStep. I will do some first warfare against them. Oh. Well, you should, you know, do some screenshots, you know, and, you know, upload it. In this case, obviously, that information would help. Could be useful for traders. But yes, if you feel that way, you should obviously leave them, because it's also frustrating, you know, if you're trading with a prop firm that you don't like, that's like messing up your brain totally. So you left. All right, I sent them an email asking to delete me from database. Oh, okay. That's good. All right. Yeah, that's not possible to trade with trade away. He got many reasons to hate Apex. So I have Quant Tower and use Apex Bulenox, take Profit Trader and TopStep all the same time. Yeah, me too. That's why I like Quant Tower. Okay. I'm still waiting for a trade, guys, but I have nothing here. The only thing I'm still sitting in it is the gold trade. That is a reason why I write Apex stuff, but I don't. Oh no, you can write, no problem. That's for your report. Okay. Well, as I said, obviously, anybody can be having their own issues. It sucks if you got paid denied for payout, obviously. So yeah, that's not good. That's not a good thing. But again, we have many people got paid out from Apex and TopStep as well. I got most of my payouts from TopStep, by the way, until this day. And, you know, obviously it's going to be my first payout from Apex. But, you know, if I get denied, what choice do I have? I'm going to continue with the account for sure for the next period. I try to go maybe with smaller size. So, find a good entry and let them work. Yeah. I want to. But the thing is, for the London session, it's too high to go long and too high to go short currently. I mean, I would go short, but I need a very good structure shift and some good levels. For example, I like this level down there. I like this one. I'm going to put a fair value gap here. I'm going to put a fair value gap here. And here. So that's a 5-minute fair value gap. Okay. Inside in the... Okay. So that's a possible target if it wants to shift down, but have to wait, obviously. So if TraderWeight uses rhythmic connection, you can use Quantara. TraderWeight is not able to use Kevin. TraderWeight, I think it's not able to use rhythmic because TraderWeight has their own connection. So it's like running a software on a Linux operating system, a Windows software on Linux. They can't connect. It's different connection data. Someone explained this to me months ago. I don't know. The TraderWeight and rhythmic is two different types of coding and connection. TraderWeight is unable to connect. That's what they told me. It's not confirmed, so don't quote me on this, but that's what they told me. No. You're down 300. Should I full port 5 Apex accounts? On your, you know, only on your own. You know, make the decision, but be careful. Let's see. Let me see. This is the 30-second chart. Just watching the 30-second chart to get some information. 212. I'm gonna put a line there. 212. If it wants to go that way. But you know. F it. All right. Just trade it back normally. Yeah, I mean, I would trade it back if I were you, but if you want to full port it, obviously you can. But 300 is not like something that you can make back even in just one session. So yeah. So you can make it back. I don't dispute that other traders have been denied, but my experience with Apex has been positive. I trade like a madman, micros at a time. There you go, Rodion. Thank you for the information. All right. Facetious. 2 weeks for the payment to land in my bank account. Certainly there is room. Yeah, there is room for improvement, but you know, so far until they pay out people, and if they pay me out as a YouTuber, I hope they will pay out more and more people, but you know. You're longing one contract, 254. You know, it can go. It can go, why not? Be careful, Donovan. I have been down 600 multiple times last week and made it all back with 5 profit. Ina, congratulations. That's a good job. That's an awesome job. Hey Tom, can you explain me how you analyze from 30-second chart? I'm using. I'm not saying that the 30-second chart is like something I go with. If I'm only looking for like 10 points on Nasdaq, for example, then if I see so for example, here's 12, here's 22. If price starts to, you know, take the stairs lower slowly, but if I see a nice displacement on the 30-second, which gives me an entry for around 10 points or maybe 8 at the bare minimum, then that's the only thing I'm watching 30 seconds. But I don't really make trade analysis too much on the 30-second. The only thing I'm checking for is a displacement and the fair value gap, maybe breaking some minor swing lows here along the way, but that's all. That's all. So $254 is a good target. Actually, that's a good target. Yeah, 254 looks good. Exactly, 254 is a good target. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's just for, you know, if I'm just looking for some short-term entry. Usually when I'm quote-unquote scalping or looking for a level to break, if I see a displacement on the 30-second, that's a good entry point. That's it. But I don't really analyze the 30-second in a whole, because obviously I'm using higher time frames for possible targets. I'm not saying 257 is a guaranteed level. I'm just saying we have a small fair value gap on the 1 minute there if it wants to push it. Obviously, I didn't call out that level. I mean, I said, guys, that if we break this buy side at 37, I'm gonna be looking for shorts. That's why I put this here. I'm gonna be looking for shorts. I just said that there is a fair value gap, so it could be good if it wants to push it there to 54. So be careful. Careful, careful. Now this one has shifted structure on the 1 minute, and you know, it could be a good target or whatever. Maybe with micros. Not sure. Do I want to jump in with micros? I don't know. I don't know if I want to. This is a potential short opportunity with micros. Where is this? Let's see how this is gonna close. I might jump in. Who knows? One more second. Okay. I jumped into a super tiny short with micros. I'm risking like $60 on this one. My stop loss is right above 50. Actually, I'm gonna put this to 50.75. I'm gonna get stopped out now. I'm down 30, 40 bucks. Yeah. I think my stop loss is 50.75, so it's like $60 of risk. Where is it? No, no. Here is the trade. So I'm short, almost out. And I'm targeting 214 maybe. Yeah, somewhere 214. That's what I would be going for if it goes. If not, then it's just 60 bucks with micros. If I win, it's gonna be 160 bucks. You know how it goes. Trend is your friend, that's true. Instant funded account is with Fast Track Trading. It's a brand new prop firm, so it's a brand new prop firm. So we don't know much about them. No code currently. I only have my affiliate link. Oh yeah, the code is FT_30. FT for the 30%. FTT_30. Sorry. Let me write it out here. FTT_30. I think that's the code. FTT_30. But that gives you a 30% discount, so you can get a 50K instant funded account for $314. That's what you can get. Timer, instant funded account. Code FTT_30. Yeah. Or B5 Go. Yeah. If you buy 5, get 1 for free. That's it. If you buy 5 accounts, you get 1 for free. Yeah, depends on the time frame. It's obviously a risky short. How is gold doing? Gold is still there. I'm down $22 on the NQ trade. It's terrible. It's terrible. Is this funded? This currently, oh, I think I'm out from the trade. This is an evaluation account. Yeah, I'm out. This is an evaluation account. It's a Bulenox evaluation account, to be correct. I'm not trading funded in the London session because I just can't. It's especially when we have no volume like this. If we would have had normal volume, I might have, but this was a risky trade, so I lost this one. It went to 51, could continue to that 54. And if we would have normal volume, then I might be, but otherwise, not really looking. I do have some funded accounts that are almost, I mean, the Bulenox account is almost at payout again, which is a good thing. NQ is now at major pivot. London will probably not take this out. Well, we'll see. We'll see. My plan was to jump into a small trade on that fair value gap right there. Boom. But it made one more leg higher, so I'm just gonna wait. I am gonna wait. This is intraday trailing. A Bulenox, I have the option 1 intraday trailing account. Okay, now we have a second chance for this one. I might jump in again. Let's see. It depends on the next candle and this one. Is it going to create a gap? It's a direct account. You earn money. Yeah, directly. Yes, exactly. No evaluation phase. No evaluation phase, St. Patrick. Basically, you're buying a funded account. Basically, you're putting in $314 to get $2,500 in leverage. That's it. That's what you get. But it's instant funded. So the profits you make, you know, those are your profits. All right, let's see what's happening. Small liquidity void. Should I jump in once more? I don't know. The liquidity void is at 41.25. $41.25. All right, I put a sell limit there again at 41.25. That's my sell limit at that void. And if it's not going to work out, then that's the action on NQ for London session, obviously. Second chance, I'm in the trade. All right, so I got filled. Stop loss, I might move it to 52.25, I think. All right. So we'll see. It's a risky one. Obviously, we are bullish, pretty much. And it's counter trend. I don't want to risk more on this evaluation account. My target is still down there at 14.25. And that's it. That's the trade. If I lose it, I'll lose it. It's micro. It's stress-free. How about gold? What's happening with gold? Gold is still there. It feels like gold is getting weaker and weaker. I don't know. Sorry. Excuse me. I don't sleep well these days. You get one. All right, let's go. Please click on my link if you get one. Thank you. Thank you, St. Patrick. If you before you register, just click on my link. Thank you. Wink. A really 25k account with FTT up 755. Nice, Ina. Wow, that's awesome. That is awesome. We have people who got paid out, by the way, from FTT. Multiple payouts, by the way. So far they are paying out. So yeah. Should come back to retest and probably get 1 minute there. It'll go long. Let's see. Holding a short for at least 50 points. Yeah, so I'm holding a short as well. My target would be down at 14.25. I'm looking for possible targets here. Maybe to take partials. Maybe I'm gonna take partial at 25. So yeah, let's let me modify this. I'm gonna take partial at 25. Actually, let me modify this. I'm gonna take 3 off. This is for micro at 25, and I'm gonna put back the stop right there, and I'm gonna take my final 1 micro if it gets there at there. So these are my levels I'm looking for. If it goes Let's see. Doesn't look good now, that's for sure. My link is in the description down there for fast track trading. St. Patrick, thank you so much for the support. Give some credit to the stream. Thank you. It's down in the description below somewhere. If you click through it when you register, that's awesome. Thank you so much. Should be down there. What is the minimum payout? I think minimum payout is 500 or 1,000. That's a good question. Oh man, I don't know. I don't want to say anything more stupid than I already have. I have to look into their details. Currently, the only thing, which is a little bit of a red flag, I'm not saying totally red, but they don't accept credit card payments yet. They said they're going to fix it until the 15th of August. So they're going to accept credit cards from the 15th of August. Currently, you can buy with bank wire or crypto transfer. That's the only way you can buy accounts with them right now. So, but they said they're working on the credit card thing. Everyone is getting payout. Got all the question answer. I'm really enjoying it. Oh, you know, as long as they're paying, you know, that's the only thing that matters, right? That's the only thing that matters. Scott does voice updates on stream and some upgrades explaining how it will be and what to expect. Oh, that's good. I like Take Profit Trader. The rules are just so simple. Yeah, rules are simple with Take Profit Trader. So the payout is very, very fast. Like you can request for a payout any day, every single day. If you make some profits, you can request for a payout. That's it. Oh, look at that. This trade is going to go down to the dumpster. Dumpster fire for this trade. Yeah, if it goes down, so be it. I'm not going to force the next one. We still have time from the kill zone, though. I looked at the website. Payouts are capped, but I don't see when the caps are lifted. I think after 3 payouts. Not sure. Yeah, 30 profitable days, yes. Quantum target and drawdown, 5% of the account size. They drawdown, can request a payout at 5 trading day. Consistency, wow, nice. Minimum payout 500. I am in S plan from 2:30. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Holy Grail. Well, if this one fails on me, it's fine. I'm not gonna force the next one on NQ, obviously. I'm gonna stick with gold for the rest of the London session, I think. I don't know, but still fine. Seems like it still wants to go. That 5-minute actually repriced, so it can still push it. We have some good targets at 67. Who knows? Gold is still going up there. I might be offside on NQ, and look at this. Goes up to 67. Super easy. Spiking higher. There was a small liquidity void here as well. Do we have some news, by the way? I haven't checked it. We had news, Italian GDP numbers and German GDP, whatever, quarterly. Interesting. Oh, look at that. It's going up. Almost out. TP 250. Nice. Almost there. And my trade is just awful. And just one more push. And I'm out. All right. Okay, not forcing this one to go short. I'm gonna stick with this, and obviously the next target up there would be the 67-ish area. How am I doing with this account? I'm down today more than $100. The gold trade is still in profit, but we'll see. I missed the start of NQ because I was reading FTT. Well, don't worry. More setups are coming every time. You're down 20. Daily CB on top. Oh, Ziggy, let's see that. Oh, yeah. 390. And obviously we have this level up there. Huge, huge liquidity void. New day opening gap. That was the earnings report from, on last week. This was Tesla, I think. That was Tesla. So it's still pushing. What was the high? 50. So the 54 level got tagged. It pushed into that gap. The rules are fine. Good. Oh. Yeah, that's why I'm saying it's looks okay. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Ba-dum, bum. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Maybe we'll have a structure shift soon. I just have to check something real quick. But so far we're pretty much bullish. So careful. Careful, careful. I think the problem is I'm already too much attached to this level down there. It's still not a structure shift. Marshall, hey Marshall. MMA 44, hey there. Donovan, boom, let's go. Let's go, Donovan. Yeah, I remembered you were pushing it for the 54. Let's go. By the way, what platform is that? You jump in. Yeah, exactly, Ziggy Hap. Instant funded account. With the code, you buy a 50K account for $314. It's instant funded. So, if you would like to register with Fast Track Trading, please click on my link. And you do. And the code is FTT_30 for 30% discount. Or there was another one which I forget. B5 Go or whatever it was. Let me check. I don't know. FTT. Yeah, B5 Go. B5 Go. For if you buy 5 accounts, you get one for free. Look at that. What's happening now? Now, don't tell me that this is not a structure shift, because technically it is. A little bit tempted to jump. Jump. Oh my love. Jump in. I don't know. I don't know. 41.50. For the stream, maybe. 41.50. What's it gonna be? All right, I put a limit order at 41.50, but that's it. And I'm gonna pull it lower to 36.25, I think. What's the high here? 36.25. Yep. All right, limit order at 36.25 for the stream. Hashtag for the stream, right? Let's see if it get tagged in. Orban is being kicked around. Oh yes, absolutely. He's getting his kicks. Look at that. We're going for that 5-minute gap. My entry is off. I'm deleting my entry. It's not valid anymore. All right. It should be going into that gap at 11. What a drop. Didn't give me any entry there. On the 30-second, there was technically a small entry, but yeah. Should go into 211. So the level was correct, but I didn't have my entry. Yeah. $149 and then 30% off. Yes, exactly, Suarez. Look at CL from that support you mentioned. Oh, let's see. CL. Oh, wow. You know, it's a nice bounce. It can still go down if it breaks. Oh, that's why I didn't have an entry here anyway to go short. I wouldn't go short until I don't have an entry. But yeah, nice bounce here. Very nice bounce. Look at NQ. It's going to go down to that gap. No buy for me above 180. And there you go. The move is done. The move is done. Instant funding. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, DL Zazinga. Instant funded account. You can buy an instant funded account at Fast Track Trading. Currently, there is no credit card option, only bank wire transfer and crypto. They are a very, very new prop firm, brand new, but they are the only ones, I mean, one of the maybe the only ones in futures prop firms that offer instant funded account. So there you go. Yeah, order block held nicely. Then boom. Story of trading, exactly, Trading Star. I want to see 168 before going up. Yeah, that's a good level, that 168. See, yeah, absolutely. I like that level. At least, yeah. You can use Wise cards. You can use Wise. Okay, I didn't know that. Last time I checked, they said they're working on the payment methods. You can use Wise. All right. Instant funding. There are no challenge. Yeah, no challenge. DL Zizinga. Absolutely no challenge. No evaluations. You pay the money and you instantly get the funded account. It's funded. Exactly. No challenge phase. Nothing. Instantly on the funded. Exactly. You jump right into the sauce, to the funded account. Fast Track Trading. Fast Track Trading. You can, there's a URL, a link down there in the description below the stream, or maybe the Streamlabs is spamming it somewhere here. If you scroll higher, yeah, if you scroll higher in the chat, Streamlabs also spamming the link with the code, but it's in the description too. Yeah, but by the way, guys, it's, you know, open an account with your own diligence or for your own diligence or risk, whatever. They are a brand new prop firm. We don't know much about them. They are absolutely new. Nobody knows too many things about them. There are some question marks, but it would be great if we would have a prop firm with instant funded accounts. And they are paying out so far. We have multiple people got to payouts with them. So, and multiple payouts. But they are brand new. I mean, fairly new. Yeah, you need to achieve like a 20% target or something to get the payout, the threshold. I don't know the rules. I mean, I know the rules. I have to read the details because I didn't dive in too much, but it's not that difficult. A little bit different than the others, but not that difficult. For the first glimpse, it was a little bit strange for me, but it's fine. Obviously, there's a demand for instant funded accounts from many people who don't want to waste time on evaluations. Understandable. I know people want to make money as fast as possible. Fast track trading is one option. 5%. It's 5%. Okay. 5% of the account size. All right then. Oh my god, the gold trade. The gold trade is not working out. This would have been a nice little short here, but it got there without me, unfortunately. Do we have to send them the details of the trading? I have no idea. So far, we have no information about that. If they're asking anything, no information about that so far. Haven't heard anybody who was asked to send them the details. But yeah. Looks like we do have some levels down. It might still want to go to take the Asia lows. Let's see. Once you earn 5% of your account balance, you become eligible for payouts and can withdraw. You do not have to maintain the 5% buffer zone. You just have to reach it. Oh, there you go. We have the answer. FTT doing very well. I bought 3 accounts for the week. Oh, I noticed my first account number is in 7,000. Then a week later, jumped around 12. Oh, this means 5K people bought. Yeah, they must be doing some business there. So, yeah, thank you, Quantum Force. That's a good information there. So there must be a lot of people who are obviously fed up with the evaluation phase and who are jumping right in to the funded level. So it's up to you. It's up to you guys. If you want to take it on, I might take it on too. Why not, you know? Why not? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so far, this 5-minute gap has created some sort of support, I guess. I don't trust this to go long now. Obviously, we are in a premium, so I would favor longs. I'm sorry, shorts. I would favor the shorts. And we have relative equal lows at 185. So, you know, some good targets. Maybe it would be good to take a short there, but I don't know. Maybe. All right. I took a short. 216 point, I don't know what, 216.50-ish. I'll see how far it goes. Final TP would be down at 50, maybe the 60s. Yeah. So I took the short. Just a second, guys. I'll be right back. I have to check on something. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Push the like, don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm here. Let's see what's happening. You're sticking with TPT? All right. All I need is environment. Then I will be plain sailing. Let's go. Online safety. Yeah. Sorry. Just eating some late breakfast. Somebody pulled the plug on NQ. What the hell is happening with NQ? Yeah, could be building up some support. I don't like it. I still have that short, but I might going to close it. I just don't like this. I thought that you can drop down, take out that equal lows, but obviously it's not doing it. And I'm just forcing the trades here. So obviously not good. There you go. Yeah, I'm just forcing this right now. And I'm in a drawdown with this trade for $70 already. My stop loss is around 110 on this evaluation. So if I lose this one, I can't trade more for this this account. Maybe I'll switch to another one. But yeah, it seems like it wants to push higher. Seems like it wants to push it. Might have to close it. Yeah, I'm choosing a different account. I'm gonna go with something different. I closed it. And the only thing I have still is the gold trade. But I don't know about that. I think this one wants to maybe push it to the 36-ish area. Who knows? So I just had to go flat. My daily loss limit per account as a mental stop if I'm trading micros. So on an evaluation account, I can go down to $1,000 because 800, 1,000, something like that on the evaluation account and on the 50K. And on the funded accounts, I would say if I go down to $500 for a day negative, I should be stopping. I usually have trouble, you know, stopping there, but I have to stop. 500-ish, plus minus, but somewhere there. 500. NQ Unicorn at 237. Yeah, I mean that level up there. Let me delete this. That fair value gap at 37 could be the target of this push. I don't know. But feels like it might want to push it there. Pushy, pushy. I don't trust this price action anymore. We still have some time from the kill zone, but I just can't abuse that account more. Why not use a click farm like TopStep? What? Why not use a click farm like TopStep TV? I don't know. I don't get it. What do you mean? Click farm. Uh-oh, it's pushing it. Hold on, which account was that? Yeah, that's the account. Gold trade is still there. Yeah, but what do I do with the click farm? I mean, I don't want to, you know. I don't want to cheat my YouTube channel to some big number. Oh, look at this. What a push. You're bad and naughty. Yeah. Click farms. What are they and how to stop them? It says. Cybercrime ecosystem. Oh my god. All right, I'm not gonna read. I'm not gonna read right now, but maybe later. I'm not. I don't want to do something like this. No way. Okay. Look at this. The 5-minute gap. What a push from here. And I feel like it can go higher than 56 was the high, right? It was. It can. It can go. Invalid. That's the down move was definitely invalidated. Now this one is a question. Feels like they want to push it over the 55. I'm scared to jump into this, so I'm not gonna do anything. Not even a scalp here. What is gold doing? My cute little gold trade. Come on, Goldie. Go up there. Come on, Goldie. Go into my target. Come on. I feel like I'm gonna sit in this gold trade all the way until New York session. Yeah, the market makers are watching the stream. You know, that's obvious. Market makers are watching. I see to be like, I told you. I effing told you this will happen. Exactly. I told you. I told you. Yeah, London is a little bit slow, definitely. And London is tricky. Look at that. Well, I mean, not that tricky if we look at the higher time frame, but yeah. 267. Obviously it can go, but I don't know what to make of this. But I'm still amazed at how this 5-minute gap was holding price. They should be able to push it above the what's that, 56. Maybe gonna go down, reprice 44, and then push it. Who knows? Same long time. It's been bottom in 5 minutes. Yeah, Ziggy. Yeah, I know. No volume left for breakfast. Yeah. Well, you know. And we should be pushing through now. Come on. Is it gonna do a double top here? What's it gonna be? Trying to figure this out, but nothing is happening. I'm not jumping into a long here. Gold trade can still save the day, but who knows? And there you go. We took out this. Next level is at 67. 67. When is the Joel's job opening? 10 a.m. news. So the 10 a.m. news is going to be the one that we're going to be focusing. Oops. Let's go. Heading into daily CB. Yeah, could be. Actually, that's the 299, right? That's the level. Let me see. No, that's the high of that candle is the 390.50. What the hell is that? What the? That's not it. Okay, that's it. Sorry. The daily fair value gap is 390.50 up there. God, so many lines over here. What the hell is this? Dude, I messed up my chart. What the hell am I doing right now? I don't even know. I had my lines and then I deleted something because I... Alright, anyway. Sorry guys. Just trying to put some order here. Previous day high. Okay, so that was correct. Yeah. 390 is the daily. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Right up there. Sorry. 267 is next. Control Z. Yeah. I'm a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur, man. I just... As ICT says that too. He's a dinosaur. I'm a dinosaur too. Sometimes I keep forgetting a lot of things. Kill zone is almost over, but it seems like it might want to push it to that 67. Let's see. We're never gonna get it. We're never gonna get it. Da, 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 da. You're down $70. I move my trade await account. Oh, move to my trade await. Yeah, yeah. It's better if you're down on one account. I think it's best to switch to somewhere else, but to the next one. In this case, still strange price action. I don't see anything. I don't see anything. All right. Let's see what's happening. Let's see. Oh man. Dun, 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 dun. Well, anyway, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys, and coming back for the New York session. I don't see anything that I like here. I messed up the direction. I'm still hanging in with the gold trade, so this is still on, and so far that's it. Obviously not the best morning, but I mean, yeah, I was offside. The 5-minute gap worked out, unfortunately not in the favor I wanted to. I took the short, took me out, tried once more, took me out, and eventually got to the target without me, but it is what it is. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll be back in the New York session, and subscribe and like the channel. And if you would like to support, please use my links and codes. That would really help me out. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the New York session. All right. Cheers, everybody. See you soon. Later. Hey there.